Hi everyone, it's Clement from flightsim. Welcome to a new video. Today I'm doing a little tips and tricks video on the flight schedule generator because I find it a lot of fun to do this. Whenever you get bored of flying, you can just come to the schedule generator and choose a couple airlines. So in my case, I'm focusing on North America and maybe Central America as well. Come in, select all the different airlines that you want, select your aircraft type. So I've been flying the Phoenix A320 family lately, which I love. So doing the A319, A320, and A321. Trip type, we'll leave that as any. Departure, I just entered Miami because I just would like to leave Miami. I select my flight length, so I don't want to do flights that are too long, and then my number of legs, so anywhere from 4 to 6 legs. And then it's going to generate me a really cool schedule based on this stuff. Like that, I can just fly the airlines that I like. I keep it random, and I build myself a fun little schedule. So in this example, I'm going to go from Miami to Cancun, and then Cancun to Detroit with the Delta A321, and then from Detroit to Philadelphia with the American A319, and then with JetBlue, we're going to do Philadelphia to Fort Lauderdale. So this is, again, very different, very unique way, just flying multiple airlines that you want. And it's a lot of fun. I've been enjoying this a lot and been discovering some really great places that I would have never flown to before without the flight schedule generator. Let me know in the comments any other tips and tricks that you would like to see next. Cheers.